Style and sophistication with comfort and unrivaled amenities. Welcome to Grand Penthouse West at Cirque Viceroy in Snowmass Village. With 4 bedrooms and more than 2,300 square feet, the metropolitan mountain design fuses new luxe furnishings, lighting, custom rugs, and wall coverings for the ultimate luxury alpine retreat. Each guest room enjoys a unique view of the ski trails and surrounding village. The thoughtful floor plan connects in the central great room with vaulted ceilings and walls of windows drawing in all-day sun. Cook like a pro in the custom kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances including double ovens and dishwashers, a wine fridge, and the connection to outdoor living extends to a heated dining terrace. This palace in the sky offers you a true ski-in, ski-out experience with direct access to the Assay Hill ski lift. Walk or take a quick shuttle to all the shops and restaurants around Snowmass Village. Ranked as one of the top ski resort destinations in the world. Now, add in the incredible amenities at the Viceroy with acclaimed restaurants like Brazos, pool and spa, fitness center, concierge services, and more. The Viceroy has proven income potential through the rental program, and the allure of Snowmass Village continues to grow, making this an excellent investment in the Aspen Snowmass market.